This is what 15 years of sliding in and out of the car does. Just tears it up. And by the end of this video, I'll have this fixed for about $9. And that's pretty much all you need. Thread, needle, this to measure the marks I'm going to put out. The magic marker. And so I am going to mark this out about every 1/8 of an inch, here to here, offset it, and here to here. I'll do the same down here. I'm gonna do a baseball stitch. Why a baseball stitch? I don't know. I'm gonna see if I still remember how to do this from when I was in aircraft maintenance school. They had to teach us how to sew up wooden fabric aircraft wings. So we'll see if that works on car seats. I don't know. I'm sure it'll work just fine. And if it doesn't, it's operator error. I'm using black thread. Why? Well, because it was black, white, or brown. That's what came in the kit, so I'm using black. Throw a knot in the end here. Alright, so to start, we'll come in under, we'll come out. So that should hold it in place. Now, I'm going to come down through here, out through the middle. And you just keep doing that. Come down through your mark on the outside, up through the middle. I'm gonna go every other mark. Now, is this gonna look good? Probably not. Is it going to hold this together without costing me an arm and a leg on seat covers? Yes. Am I a sewing expert? Not even a little bit. But hey, it's $9. This thread is horrible. But hey, $9. So you just deal with the tangles. Now, if you can see, I've got two separate rips here, and they're right next to each other. So typically you would just, with a baseball stitch, you would just come in under this fabric and come out right here and down right here. I'm trying to bridge both of them, so it's looking a bit haggard, which is okay, because at the end of the day, it's gonna keep it all from ripping. And this fabric's so thin, if you pull it too tight, you're gonna rip right through it. So you gotta be careful with that too. So we are partway done. Not too bad. Let's keep going. Oops, pulled a new hole. Right, let's try that one again. A little further back. Alright, let's see if I can finish this. Do it this way so it won't pull through. There we go. Yes, I know the tag's on the top, but I can't get underneath. And there you have it. Picture perfect MLB quality, especially this part. Baseball stitch. Well, that won't come back apart. $9. So if you're looking for cheap budget repairs that actually kind of work but might look like hammered dog do, like and subscribe, because this is what you get if you ask me to sew. In another video, we'll get to how filthy these seats are. But that's it for today. I'll catch you guys later.